Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, with another fantastic medical week in review. So many new pops, so stick around. Before we get going, check out this artist's rendition of a human egg being fertilized. Speaking of pregnancy, as a 40-year-old man who's about to get married, do you think it's too late to start having kids? Leave me a comment with your opinions below. Here's one that's a little more graphic. This individual seems to have some sort of tonsil stones or infection. Ouch. Do you think he needs to be treated with antibiotics? This goldmine of whiteheads was submitted without video. You can imagine our frustration. This large dilated pore also made the Sports Center top 10 of pops. This patient is suffering from Parkes-Weber syndrome. It's a congenital disorder of the vascular system. It's an extremely rare condition, but its exact prevalence is unknown. This image comes from Haley's weight loss journey. She said, if cauliflower can become pizza, you can become anything. Stick around because I'm going to show you a Thinnergy weight loss testimonial at the end of the video. And here is a fungal nail removal clip. Don't know the original source, but if you do, please let me know so we can credit them.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Nilsa from MTV Floribama Shore, and excuse my morning madness, but I just wanted to be really raw and authentic with you guys. I want to wish everyone at Thinnergy a happy goals day. Let's make today all about reaching your goals. So this is what I do every morning. I get up, I check my emails, I do a little social media, and then I go to the gym and I set out a plan every single day of what goals I want to reach that day. So let's make today all about reaching your goals. And the way I stay fit is just because I have so much motivation. I have a long way to go, but looking back to how far I've came, that's really important to me. So I hope you guys can do the same and reach your goals. Good luck, you guys.
Thinnergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Thinnergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.